Hi, my name is Arvind Kumar Suri. I started and joined ITFT in 2004, completed my bachelor's and finished it in 2007. And right after 2007, I joined master's. Then I completed master's from 2007 to 2009. And I believe that ITFT education and professional degrees has always helped me to learn and grow every day. I would say that, of course, it has given me a global degree which is recognized all over the world. It has given me confidence. It has given me a lot of opportunities which are there now to do something which I always wanted. I was always very passionate about hospitality and service industry, and just because of ITFT and its qualification, today I am one of those best person who can really go and move forward to join the best brains of the world. I would say that the students, who really miss a lot of their subjects, the students who miss their classes, who do not attend regular classes, or the ones who are skipping their sessions, we always have a lot of hospitality group sessions where a lot of local bodies from the official departments of tourism and hospitality would attend you and tell you their experiences, how they've been into the industry for the last 20 years, maybe 15 years. So the students who are missing their classes and subjects are the ones who really face challenges, because when they land up with the best jobs, when they land up with the best companies, they realize that they miss some subjects, they miss some classes where they could have really learned a lot of things. So because they miss those important times, they miss their sessions, they really do not fulfill all of the requirements. You always have to be a go-getter. So for becoming a part of that part of people, one has to be very, very alert. One has to be alert all the time. So they really face challenges because they do not take the best. They do not take the best opportunities because they miss those things. I would say on this, as per my multiple years of experience, I've been working from the year 2007. My first job जो थी, I was hired by Ista Hyderabad. It's one of the best hotels which is known by Hyatt today. So the challenges जो उनको होते हैं उसमें what they go through is the people who are very casual, वो अपनी degrees को बहुत आसानी से लेते हैं. I mean, उनको लगता है कि all right, मेरा exam हो गया, I've got a degree, I've scored 80%, 90%. लेकिन जब वो एक professional world में जाते हैं, when they start working as a part of a business of a brand, of a company, वहाँ पर उनको अपना attitude बहुत change करना पड़ता है, because in all of the businesses आप कहीं भी job करोगे, they will only expect you to say yes. अगर आप उनका हर एक answer yes नहीं करते हो, तो you will not have those chances to grow. You will miss those opportunities which you have in your hand. If your manager is saying that Mr. Smith, आपको कल you have to be in the shift. Maybe it's your chutti, it's a week off, but still your business and your company needs you to work on Sundays. So you should have that thinking, and you should know that my job wants me to work today, so I'll have to work. You can never say no to any of their questions. As per me, what would be the industry outlook in the coming 2 to 3 years? वैसे तो we all know the people who are into business, who are studying, who are connected with this world. They know that it is very unpredictable. No one in this world can say at what percent this industry is growing. There are a lot of surveys going on. There is a lot of studies and researches which is going on. So no one can exactly tell you exactly how it's growing. However, millions of jobs are created every single second. इस सर्विस इंडस्ट्री में millions jobs जो create हो रही हैं, उसके लिए millions people की भी ज़रूरत है. So जो लोग इस इंडस्ट्री में नए आ रहे हैं या फिर अभी step in कर रहे हैं, उनको ये understand करना चाहिए कि ये एक ऐसी इंडस्ट्री है which is an industry of intelligent people. you will work with the best brains of the world. So we always feel very happy to know that he's working with Taj, he's working with Marriott, he's working with Jet Airways. But you do not know that you will have to be very strong. अगर आप अपने आप को first day से strong करके रखोगे कि yes, I want to succeed, I want to be a successful person. So of course you'll have to be ready with, to go through the worst circumstances. You'll have to have the full confidence in yourself. It's good that sometimes maybe आप confused हो सकते हैं. If you're not a good decision maker, अगर आप एक अच्छा decision नहीं ले सकते हैं, you should ask your seniors, your teachers, your HODs, so they will help you. However, इस इंडस्ट्री की growth हो रही है, वैसे ही professionals की भी हो रही है, and वो growth तभी होगी when you will put in your 100%. If you're not giving your 100%, you can never be successful in this industry. How was my experience in ITFT? I would say fantastic. The skills and knowledge today which I've got, I would say ITFT has always been, it will always be one of my biggest asset. Till the time I'll be a professional person, I'll be into the business, and even at my personal life, जो कुछ मुझे ITFT से सीखने के लिए मिला है, I'll always try my best कि मैं उसको आगे बढ़ाऊँगा. I always tell people कि ITFT is one of the best place where you can really know कि आप में क्या qualities हैं. बहुत तरह के लोग होते हैं, कई लोग होते हैं उनको they never know what qualities they have, and there are some people who are very overconfident. So ITFT is a place जहाँ पे आपको बताया जाएगा कि आप कहाँ improve कर सकते हैं. Apart from that, they will help you to build your confidence, and they'll tell you how you can do it. Itna friendly environment, and your seniors, your teachers, all of your professors, your HODs, even the directors, and everyone who is a part of ITFT is really appreciable. I would say कि मेरा experience ITFT में one of the best experience रहा है. Even before joining ITFT, I was studying in a college in Europe. I was studying with Inter College, and I was doing hotel management in 2004. I was very confused to come back to India and join a good institute where I can start my hospitality dreams, my hotel dreams. I basically wanted to be a hotelier. So after I joined ITFT, I got to know that this hotel industry and this hospitality industry is very, very wide. This industry is something which will take you anywhere. You should be ready for that. If you're studying ATHM, hospitality management, service industry, or service management, you never know the areas of this degree are so wide that you may land up with a job in a hospital, because they'll also have a front office department. You may land up with a job with an airline, to join as a crew. Maybe you can join some travel agencies. Then we have restaurants, of course hotels are there. Apart from these business companies, you can even join as a trainer. This is a very, very wide industry, and I always appreciate, and I always feel happy and blessed. I always thank God that ITFT was there to help me to study which I wanted. The areas of interests which I had, they really fulfilled all of the dreams during studies. And I wish all the best to all of the students who are studying presently with the ITFT. And ITFT is the best college.